Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to withdraw money from PayPal and transfer it to your bank account. So as you can see here right now, I have $67.23 in my PayPal balance. So right there in the top, you see under PayPal balance transfer. So I'm going to click on transfer. And right here, you have two options. You could choose to receive your money within minutes. However, it will cost you a 1.5% fee, or you could choose to wait 1 to 3 days, which is a totally free ACH credit transaction. And that's what I'm going to pick because I don't need this money like immediately. And under it, it will be asking you like, where do you want us to send the money to? So right there, if you don't already have your bank account linked to your PayPal account, that is where you will add it. It will give you an option. Just follow the step-by-step on-screen instructions, but since I already have my bank account linked, I'm just going to leave it at that. And just under that, you'll see the fee amount. Like I said, I'm choosing the 1 to 3 days, so it's going to be free. And at the bottom, you see my option to just click on transfer. So I'm going to transfer the $67 now. Click there. And just like that, the $67 is on its way, and real simple like that, guys. So if this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.